Alright, so imagine you're sitting at your computer, trying to find a way to make File Explorer show you only files and not folders. Quite the problem, right? You've tried different search queries like kind equals file and type file, but nothing seems to work. It's frustrating, to say the least. Now, let's dive into the solution that can bring some clarity to this file searching dilemma. In the Explorer search bar, the magic word is not. By using specific search queries like filename *ar* and not kind folder, filename *r* and not type folder, and filename *r* and not kind folder, you can finally achieve the desired result of seeing files only. It's all about mastering the art of search queries on Windows 10. Building on that previous solution, there's a quirk to note. While lowercase not may not yield the expected outcome in the Explorer search bar, filename *ar* and not kind folder, and filename *r* and not type folder will return the empty set. But here's the kicker. Those queries actually work just fine in the taskbar search. It's one of those little mysteries of Windows 10's search functionalities. To wrap it all up, we've uncovered the secrets to refining your File Explorer searches to display files exclusively. Remember, on Windows 10, case sensitivity matters when using not in search queries. By incorporating the correct syntax, like filename *ar* and not kind folder, you can navigate the digital labyrinth with ease. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy searching.